Bulk batch update option helps to replace the batch with another existing batch or product. Go to recipes and search for the batch that needs to be replaced. Here we are replacing chicken sausages with boneless chicken sausages. Open the batch of chicken sausage and click on recipe for this batch. Select bulk batch update feature and search for the replaceable batch or item, boneless chicken sausages. Click on updated selected recipes. Ensure the replacement will work when the batch or product unit must be compatible, for example, portion to portion, kilogram to kilogram, or LT to LT.